Oxygen OS made its way back with the OnePlus One when the OnePlus company first launched their device. Yes, at the first glance, it is very stock Android, with little bit of tweaks here and there. The two things that impressed me about this OS is its optimization and customization. So why not make a video and show some of them? It's time to welcome you all. Hi there, I am Aritra from Recharge Tech, back with another one. Needless to say, Oxygen OS is one of the lightest and customizable and optimizable OS you can find on an Android platform right now. Now, all the tricks or the things that I am going to show you will belong to the settings menu. Now, firstly, let's begin with the alert slider, which from my perspective is one of the most important thing of the OnePlus. For this, you need to go to settings, then scroll down, then you will find a menu called alert slider. Go to the alert slider. Now you can choose between silent, do not disturb. In the silent, you can go for alarms, media, and enable vibration. Go back, then do not disturb, and same alarm slider and also the ringing as well. Now let's get back and get to the next one, which is the buttons. Now for the buttons, you get a backlight button. You can turn the backlight on and off, swap buttons, on-screen navigation. When this is turned on, the main buttons won't work anymore. This is really cool. Then there is a long action, short action, swap buttons. There is a lot more that you can do with the buttons as well. There is also the double tap action. In the recent apps, you can set which one will do which work. Now let's get to the most interesting part, the gestures. The 3-finger swipe is the one I use the most. Then comes the double wake for me. Just swipe with 3 fingers and it will take a screenshot at any screen. This is really cool and handy for most of the people, I guess. Now let's check the double tap one. Just double tap on the screen, it will wake up your screen. Really cool. There is also a good actions for music control. Like for going into the next tab, this is for camera, just draw 0 on the lock screen, or O as you can say. The music control is also impressive for me, but I don't use though. Now let's get back and get to the status bar. This is where you can change the battery actions or the battery icons. You can just go for the bar as it appears on all the phones. You can also go for circles, which for me is really cool and I keep it almost all the time. Now let's go to font. You can change the font. This is very silly. Now let's go under settings. You have the most interesting part. This is what impressed me a lot, the dark theme, which I really wanted for my iPhone for several years. Yes, Apple has provided, but nothing close to this from my point of view. Now let's go to the lift to wake up display is also there. The screensaver push light notification, that is LED light. The default light will be this blue. If the battery is full, you can change all the lights, battery charging, battery low, all will give different lights. If you want, you can set according to your own wish. Now let's change there is also an ambient display, that is only the always on display. Let's change the accent color now. This is the color which opens up on your menu notification bar, the writings. Now let's change the color and show you. No, this color won't make a difference, I think. Let's show you once again. Yeah, let's choose another color. Yeah, let's choose the upper one. Yes. Now you can clearly see the difference. From blue it will be kind of red, or what this color is called, something like brick color. Okay, anyways, this is not my point of concern. Let's get to the next one. I really like OnePlus device feel. They really feel premium. Now let's check the ambient display. Yes, this is the ambient display. Just wake up your phone and the display will light up if you have any notification to show. Now the interesting things are you can double tap on the recent apps to get back to the last app you have used, though I couldn't do it in this video, but if you try you can surely do it on your own. Sorry for this, I couldn't do it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, be safe. I'll catch you in my next one. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing.